Hi everyone, I've got some really exciting news. As of now, we've just expanded our menu, meaning that we're offering you more choice and more recipes that you love. So what we've done is we've increased the amount of recipes on the weekly menu. So from 16 recipes on the choice box, you have now the choice over 20 recipes. So this just means that it will be easier for you to find something that you'll always look forward to cooking at home. So what we've added is a couple more low-carb recipes and a couple of more family-friendly recipes, giving you a bit more control in choosing the kind of recipes and the variety that you want during the week. So we've added more chicken, more fish and more beef recipes. These are recipes that we know you love, and this means that whether you're following a pescatarian, a low-carb, a vegan or a vegetarian diet, we've got you covered. We're also really excited to introduce the weekly classics. These are familiar flavors that you know and love. These recipes will satisfy the hungriest of tummies and fussy eaters alike. And the best of all, we'll repeat them slightly more often on the menu, and there'll be 2 different ones to choose from every week. Bon appétit!